Hello people, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lizzie Nabiswa. In case you're new here, thank you so much for clicking and thank you so much for the continued support. While I was away, 200 came. So back to business. Today we want to do something small about morning sickness. What really causes morning sickness? What are the hormones responsible for morning sickness, which is commonly known as morning sickness? It is nausea in another word, but it usually comes about during the first trimester of pregnancy that most women do experience during the pregnant period. And this is due to the increased levels of two major hormones. We have the HCG and the progesterone. These are pregnancy related hormones. So when these hormones are into your body, they'll actually make you feel like, you know what, remember you're carrying you're carrying a strange thing inside you that you had not carried before, so your body's trying to adjust with this strange hormone, strange thing to bring it up. But there's some of the causes of morning sickness. I just want us to do about the causes and then how to manage it before it gets to a crisis, a medical condition, a medical emergency, which is actually known as hyperemesis. So it is being said that reduced blood sugars can be one of the causes of morning sickness. More often, you're advised to go check out for your RBS. You're supposed to go screen out for your blood sugars in the body. Maybe it is one of the factors that is making you having those nausea things, those vomiting things early in the morning. Another thing is history of twins, triplets, quadruplets, frequent traveling. So when you're pregnant, try as much as possible to avoid this traveling. When you're also having those what is it called, excessive fatigue, and then emotional stress, when you just feel like, you're stressed up with someone or something, they have to trigger your hormones, and that will bring about those nausea thing. So in as much as you're pregnant and then having those mood swings, try to avoid them. How do you go about managing this morning sickness? Take a nap, do a lot of vitamins, not a lot, but take small quantities, yeah, but do more frequent of them. Avoid cigarette. Hello, vutaji sigara. This is the time now you need to avoid, because if you're not going to stop this cigarette, you're not only having the nausea thing, but you are affecting your unborn child. You might even end up having that low birth with child, a baby with complications. So just try to cease away from these stuffs, the cigarette, the alcohol, for the wellness of your baby. You're trying to prevent your unborn child. Take a nap, do vitamins, avoid those much traveling, avoid spicy foods, these spicy things. Some people are not so much good with the spicy things. If your spouse loves spicy and then you happen not like, when you just hear that smell, you feel like, you know what, this is it, I'm done. Please try to avoid those spicy foods. I just said about the traveling, frequent traveling. Avoid traveling, because the diesel and the petrol smell, once it just hits you, it triggers the vomit, and that is it. So just try as much as possible to avoid. And then take little food, but don't starve yourself. What I mean by taking little food is you just have to take little quantities, but in a day, just have those meals, don't starve yourself, but don't overdo, like, because you're having that appetite, you're having the cravings, so you have to eat like a lot of them. Try to avoid those too much foods. Avoid stress. Always have a bottle of water by your side when you're pregnant. 2 liters of water in a day, if I'm not wrong. But yeah, do a lot of water, but in small quantity. Not that you'd have now that the 2 liter you're taking it like the whole of it. No. So that is it for today, guys. Keep subscribing, leave a comment, share, and click the notification bell. And I'll see you on Sunday. Today is on a Wednesday, actually. I'll see you on a Sunday. Thank you so much. I promise I won't be away again. I'm here to stay now. I'll see you on Sunday. God bless, and always remember, health is wealth. For the morning sickness, do all it can to prevent these issues. Prevent your baby from having a low birth weight baby, having a premature baby, having a baby with so much complications. Cigarette and the alcohol, just stop for the sake of your unborn child. Health is wealth. Until next time, Lizzie Nabiswa here. Thank you.